Above and beyond means extra effort. उम्मीद से ज़्यादा. She always goes above and beyond at work. At a crossroads means confused about direction. निर्णय की दुविधा में. I feel like I am at a crossroads in life. All set means fully ready. पूरी तरह तैयार. I am all set for the meeting. As fresh as a daisy. Energetic, ताजा और ऊर्जावान. She woke up as fresh as a daisy. At a loss means confused or speechless. Confused or speechless. Confused or speechless. समझ न आना. I was at a loss for words. Ahead of the curve means innovative. दूसरों से ज़्यादा आगे. This company is ahead of the curve in technology. This company is ahead of the curve in technology. All or nothing. Full effort or zero. सब या कुछ नहीं. My mindset is all or nothing. Across the board means affecting everyone. सभी पर लागू. Salaries increased across the board. Against the grain means unusual. सामान्य से अलग. His idea goes against the grain. Or narrow escape means escape danger barely. Escape danger barely. बाल बाल बचना. It was a narrow escape from the accident. At the peak of means highest point और चरम पर. She is at the peak of her career. A long shot. A long shot means unlikely but possible. कम संभावना वाला प्रयास. Winning this is a long shot but worth trying. Long shot means unlikely but possible. As blind as a bat. Can't see clearly. बिल्कुल न देख पाना. As blind as a bat. Without glasses I am as blind as a bat. At wits end means mentally exhausted, बेहद परेशान. I am at my wits end with this situation. All in one piece means safe, unharmed, सुरक्षित. All in one piece मतलब सुरक्षित. Thankfully, we reached home all in one piece. Thankfully, we reached home all in one piece. A tall order means difficult task, मुश्किल काम. Completing this project today is a tall order. Tall order means difficult task. All time high means highest ever. अब तक सबसे ज़्यादा. Sales reached an all time high. A matter of time means bound to happen. समय की बात. Success is just a matter of time. सफलता समय की बात है. कह देते हैं ना, उसके लिए क्या कहेंगे? Success is just a matter of time. As busy as a bee. Very busy. बहुत व्यस्त. As busy as a bee. Very busy. बहुत व्यस्त. I have been as busy as a bee lately. I have been as busy as a bee lately. At face value, without questioning. जैसा दिखे वैसा मान लेना. Don't take everything at a face value. At a face value means without questioning. जैसा दिखे वैसा मान लेना. Don't take everything at a face value. Another day or another dollar. Daily routine life. वही दिनचर्या. Waking up for work feels like another day or another dollar. Waking up for work feels like another day, or we can say waking up for work feels like another dollar. As sharp as a tack. Very intelligent. बेहद तेज दिमाग वाला. She is as sharp as a tack. All in good time means everything will happen at right time. सही समय पर सब होगा. Relax. All in good time. At loggerheads. In conflict means झगड़े में होना. The two departments are at loggerheads. A wake-up call means serious warning. His failure was a wake-up call. All in a day's work means normal routine task. रोज के काम का हिस्सा. रोज के काम का हिस्सा उसको क्या कहते हैं? ऑल इन अ डेज वर्क. रोज के काम का हिस्सा. हैंडलिंग प्रेशर इज ऑल इन डेज वर्क हियर. Handling pressure is all in a day's work here.